Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I made this up, an incredibly delicious potato omelet. Only involves a few ingredients, so let me walk you through this. You're gonna love it. Okay, the first thing, guys, what we're going to do here is chop up 2 large potatoes into fairly small chunks. And you can use the potato of your choice. Next, add some oil into a preheated pan. Add the potatoes in, and we're just going to cook them until they're tender. It's going to take about 7 minutes, so we're just going to turn off the heat and set them aside. Okay, what we're going to do now is crack in 5 eggs into a mixing bowl. Give them a beating. I like beating eggs. Add in 3 strips of chopped bacon that I fried up a while ago, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 green onions that I've sliced up. Half a cup of grated cheddar cheese, and this is totally optional, but I like cheese. The star of the show, our fried potatoes, and of course some salt and pepper. And we're just going to go ahead and grab up a spatula and mix this up until everything is well combined. It smells so good. It's not even cooked yet. Alright, now we're going to add some oil to a non-stick pan. And you really want a non-stick pan. I'm going to add the mixture in. And I should mention this is over low heat. And just kind of spread this out. Slip a cover on. And we're just going to cook this until it's set. What you might want to do here halfway through is just kind of push the oil around so it gets underneath. The smell is incredible. Once the bottom is set, I'm going to slip a plate on top and just give it a flip over. And slip it back in on the opposite side for about 2 or 3 minutes. After a couple of minutes, it looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to garnish this up with some parsley just to give it that green effect. And there you have it, our potato omelette. Okie dokie, let's cut into this. Just like a pizza pie. Just look at that, guys. The potatoes, oh, it looks incredible. Can hardly wait to taste this. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Guys, this is just incredible. You gotta make this. I just love the flavor, the spices. The ultimate family breakfast. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes there. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.